Hi, Joseph here from ProRise Painting, and we are in a residential home in Coquitlam.
The ProRise team was hired to repaint and refresh this newly purchased home. Our team loves these type of projects, so let me show you how we're going to complete the work. The first step is site protection. Our team makes sure all the floors are protected with floor paper or drop sheets, and all furniture is covered with plastic. We want to make sure all parts of the home are protected from dust. Surface preparation is the next and most important part of any interior painting project. This involves removing of all electrical cover plates, patching and sanding of the drywall, and applying caulking to any visible cracks. One of the main differences that separates us from other companies is our dustless sanding process, thus creating a cleaner, dust-free, and safer working environment. Only after all areas have been prepared, premium grade paint is carefully applied by our experienced full-time painters. Our painters take great pride in their work and work extremely hard to provide a quality finish for all our customers. If you have any questions about this process, or if you need help with any upcoming painting project,
Call us today for your free painting consultation.